Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this quick video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the printer offline issue or scanner online issue on your Windows 11 and 10 computer. So first of all, open the services from Windows search, type services, and we need to make sure that the services is running off printer. Run it as administrator and click anywhere on it and press P on your keyboard and look for print spooler. You need to right click on it, go to its properties, and now startup type should be automatic. Apply and then start the service. If it is already running in your case, so you can restart it once from here. And once you have restarted, check back if that fixed your issue or not. If still not, then we can go to the control panel. Simply type here control and open the control panel, and from here choose for this option category wise large icons. Even you can select this option add a device, but I'm selecting the large icons. Now we need to look for printer devices and printer. Click on that option, and once you see this option guys, you need to look for your device here. If you are able to see your device is here, printer scanners, so you can see and you can go to its properties. Now you can just click on that printer and go to its properties, and it is running, you can see here properly. And also go to printer preferences and choose the automatic option here. Choose the paper size to letter or A4, whatever you like. Okay, then click on OK. Also we can tweak some printer properties as well. Some port details you have. Open print queue, choose this option guys, which I have just checked, more devices and printer settings, and you need to right click on your printer. Okay, and go to its properties, printer properties, and you need to select this option, set as default printer. Click on apply and click on OK, and your printer will be set as default. If you have still issue, so you can remove it and then you can add a printer again like this, and make sure your printer and computer is connected to same network. Once it is connected, it will scan it. If it is not scanning it, choose this option, then you can add a manual IP of a printer here. Next, this time you need to add the printer IP, let's say 192.168.10.10, and next, and it will detect your printer IP address on your computer. After that, re-add it and your issue will be fixed. So these are the fixes to fix the issue guys, printer offline showing issue. So I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.